Most people pay the storefront surcharge, but we hunt for the ghost signal. Therefore, Gyrl is bypassing the pretty items and diving into the dirt to find trapped equity. Today, the mission starts now.
How much you got on the lawnmowers? How much on that lawnmower? Got the charger to it?
Yeah, I gotta tell you about it.
Man, that's nice.
Retail is $345. Our target was $34, but the price held at $125. Therefore, it missed our 10% rule. But the DeWalt Pedigree carries high-velocity equity. Therefore, a 63% margin is a calculated win. Status, accepted.
Ghost signal. You're looking for a pedigree pull.
How much is this right here? This little set?
$10.
10?
Yeah.
I gotta get this.
New retail is $244.94. But this metal set is in prime condition. Therefore, Jay bypassed the storefront surcharge. The dealer wanted 10, but she secured it for 8. Therefore, we erased a $200 retail expense. Why buy new? Status, accepted.
I see a few. This is nice.
What's the price? Yeah, it's you, right? What you got on this?
40.
40?
Oh, yeah.
You done doubled up from the 20.
Gyrl identified the equity, but the vendor was anchored to retail. Therefore, she is initiating a tactical retreat to let market gravity reset their expectations. This is the Boomerang Approach. Most people fear losing the item, but in this business, the one who walks away controls the buy. Therefore, we wait.
Hey, huh?
This is a ghost tax.
It has a ghost tax on it.
Yeah, it's a little outside of my 10% threshold rule, so I'm gonna have to pass on this. Even though I like it though, I might see if he'll take a lower price later.
Retail is $184, but the dealer wanted 40. Jay needed 20. Therefore, she walked. But her return hours later reset the leverage. Therefore, she activated the Boomerang Approach. Watch how she closed the win in the next scene. Status, accepted.
Hey, you ready to take something low on that?
Yeah, give me the 20.
Give him a 20.
20.
That is not bad.
That's all the fans, Jay.
Yeah, you know I'm a
Great.
hat girl.
It's great for yard work. It's great for fishing.
Right. Look, and it tilts. So
Yeah.
so you can tilt it the way you want it to go.
Jay wanted this hat for the field, but the vendor's math is a trap. He wants 20, but the market value is 17. Therefore, the utility bridge has collapsed. Jay liked the item, but she won't pay for the privilege of losing money. Therefore, we walk. Is a ghost signal waiting in the next booth? Status, rejected.
Well,
What's that?
Ooh, no, them look like real
That's
ass
what I'm saying,
teeth.
That's interesting. What do you think that is?
Look, you got real teeth in
I'm
it.
just saying, you might be some voodoo shit. Put
And
that
I
down.
know.
It kicks in, it's high.
How fast?
When you turn it on high, it's fast. It would do 20 mile an hour as far as top speed, but the power, like coming up a hill, you give it a little crank and it'll
Really?
take back.
How much is this?
I want 300 for this one.
The dealer saw a basic e-bike, but Gyrl identified a 2015 Raleigh electric bike. Therefore, we activated a ghost signal win. Most people walk past, but we see the hidden power. Therefore, the equity is ours. Status accepted.
We've been out here all day since before the sun came up. We found some good deals, we found some bad deals, but overall, we found some deals. So make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.